Partha and you are watching Developer Partha YouTube channel. Today I will going to show you the Lottie animation. You can make this animation in the Sketchware app. So today I will show you how you can do that. Okay, so this is called a Lottie animation. Here you can say you can put another and different kind of animation, and you need the animation Json file, Lottie animation Json file for this. So before going or proceed to our project, we need to download a animation Json file. Okay, before that I want to tell you that you need in this project you need these two library, this library, sketch library tool, and the sketch and draw app. Okay, these two app you have to download from Play Store. Okay, I will also give this both app link in the description. You can download from there too. Okay, so this will help in the adding of library of Lottie library, and this will the I will provide the code of the Lottie library. So let's start. So first of all, go to Lottiefiles.com. You have to go to the Lottiesfiles.com. Here you can see here. After going, you can see there are different kind of animation. Okay, so today I will use one of this animation in the project. So let's take the first one, this. So let me download this JSON file. So just click over it, then click over here, then click on this Lottie.json, and here you get our download the Lottie.json file. Okay, JSON file name is 23. Here you see. Okay, 23920 it was that dog.json. Okay, so now our browser work is done, so just close this browser. Then yeah, now we don't need the internet. Before that you have to download your sketch library tool. I already say just open your sketch library tool. Okay, now here you see the download option, and just click over this, and you can see the Lottie library. Just download from here. Okay, to download it, just click over here, then your download is starting just like this. Okay, after that go back, and whenever you select your project, just you can, I will show you next. So let me close our internet. So first go to your Sketchware or open your Sketchware, the original Sketchware. Just open it. Just I can show you the whole Sketchware. This is the original Sketchware. So I close the net because it shows lots of ads. So okay, so let me name our project just Lottie SK. Okay, Lottie SK is the name of the project. Then create app, just click on create app. You can see here the original Sketchware, this one. So just then click on the vertical linear, just drag it out inside this box, then make it match parent. Okay, so next we need the library, app compare library. So put in the X. Okay, then go to on create, and just we need to hold the Lottie library here. So first you have to need the code. I will provide this code on my sketch and draw app. So you have to download this sketch and draw app, and which also link also provide in the description, and so just I directly put this and I will show you what we have to change here. Okay, now first then open your ES file manager, sorry, your ES file manager. Then let's see where is our Lottiefile. Here is this. Okay, so then before doing this, go to Sketchware and go back and go to font. We need to add our Json file inside this inside the project. Okay, so there is a trick to do this. So the trick is this: go to your font manager, then add any font. I add from the collection like this and change a name for better recognition. So here I set it Lottiefile, Lottiefile. Okay, just change the name, and here you see our font name is Lottiefile. Just import it, and our file is import successfully. This is lottiefile.ttf. Font is already successfully import. After that, you have to go to ES file manager. Then you have to go to then you have to copy your Lottie JSON. This is Lottie animation doc, which I download here. You can see this file. This is the file. This is I download. Now you have to copy this file. Just click on copy, then go to .sketchware folder, then go to resource, then go to fonts, then you have to click on 717. Is this this is the new project which I create here. This is the project folder of the font area. Here you see our file is already here, lottiefile.ttf. Now we have to put this JSON file. Here is the new JSON file. Now we have to do this trick. Now select this, just copy the whole file name and delete the TTF file. After delete this TTF file, then rename the JSON file of the Lottie animation by selecting all. Just paste the copied file name here, then lottiefile.ttf. Just select OK, and our work is done. Just close this. Yes, Explorer. Then in the Lottie view, this is a Lottie library which I called here. So in the Lottie view, then the set animation. Here you have to put our Lottie JSON file part. So to do this, here you have to put this font slash, and our file name is lottiefile.ttf. okay, .ttf. Now all is done, and this code I will provide in the Sketchware app. You have to download the Sketchware app from the description link below in the description, or you can directly go to Play Store. Okay, you can get any code and every code of my video in this on that app. Then save it like this. Okay, save the project. After saving the project, we're done with our codes. Now we have to put our Lottie library. So first we have to search this. First we have to run once, so that our file will visible in here. Our file number is 717, so here is not visible right now. So let me close this, and here is the error. You saw this Lottie library we need. So then open your sketch library tool. Okay, And remember, you have to download your Lottiefile Lottie library from here. I already show you. Okay, after download, then go to your project. Here is our project 717. Okay, just click here, then select library, then select Lottie, then done, then click on start injection. After clicking on start injection, just click on run, and we just successfully injecting our Lottie library in the Sketchware project. Okay, so if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. And here you see dexing is running, and don't forget to like and share. So please subscribe my channel and like and share, and also comment. Okay, and thank you for your love and support towards my channel. I will always make high quality videos and tutorials for you. Due to some busy schedule, I am not make lots of video or tutorial, but I will try to make lots of video and tutorial. So please, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe, and also share my channel and videos, and don't forget to like. Also click on bell icon. Okay, now our app is already ready, so let's install it. So okay, let me wait for the installation process. So remember, you have to download the both app, Sketch Library tool and Sketch Android app. In the Sketch Library tool, you can get the library of the Lottie, and in the Sketch Android tool, Sketch Android app, you can get the code of this Lottie library, how to work and this, and also just follow the tutorial carefully, and you can do it good. Okay, so let us wait for the installation. It takes little time in my phone, so let's wait. Okay, okay, our application is installed, so let's open and see how it is look. And here you see our Lottie animation is shown here. Our project is successfully done. And so please guys, if you not subscribe my channel, subscribe, and also please share my channel, and don't forget to hit like. So, and also click on bell icon, so that if any latest video, you get the notification in your app. Okay, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you.